Where's the jam? Here, bud. Okay, bird. No, you're never running from me anymore, but you're still wary. Here we go. What's going on here? Here you go, Phineas. That's right, you know what the score is. Stalk around, I'll leave, and then you'll come back and eat stuff. Cool. We hear the cliff swallows come back for their nests up here. Hello, are you enjoying things so far? How's your nest over there? Yeah, got a nice roost wire. And there is that harrier again. Being chased by the other birds. The grackles have been watching. Bit of a stroll to come up to free fertilizer area. By the way, thank you. And unlike human nature, where everybody thinks when it's fresh, this is really the good stuff. It's seasoned, so it's almost like dried hay, or almost like styrofoam. So you collect that up, chop it up, and then you put it in the garden and let it soak in. The grass came up really fast. I know there's a lot between here and there, but instead of picking it here and there, just haul it up here. Nice day for a walk anyway. Yes, I agree. And just pick and choose from all the, it doesn't look like much, but it really is. So right around the corner, but the good season stuff. Anyway, the more you know. I can explain. Not long later, not bad. Okay, time to retreat. They probably want to go down to the water and they're wondering what the monkey's doing. But, free stuff. That will do for now. Pun intended. And I probably will pick some up on the way back. Hello, bird. Frog. What kind of frog?
They're thirsty. They don't like people. Especially on foot. And we're too thirsty for that. Alright, I'm going to retreat with my wheelbarrow full of treasure.
Okay, so the grackles got all the bread. So he made a circle around him. He just saw me throw some catfish. He thought it was catfish. And he just stood about 15 feet away and now he's back to it. Bird. He really likes dry catfish. Get to the point he'll come right over to me. Maybe not, we'll see. For a wild game bird, tolerate me at 20 yards away while I throw out food. That's pretty good. He's a bird. I don't really care about the sounds coming from the house. So many times he'll do that and he'll walk right by. Give us a little squawk. This is my territory. Hey, Bun. Sorry, I barely see you until I'm almost walking on it. Hey, Bun, what's up, Bun? You better watch out for the cat's Bun. Here you go.